we had a lot of pain points. The biggest one was not being able to track them, not knowing what the customer had to pick up on certain days, losing product. We had no way of tracking that. So other than a piece of paper saying, yep, we did pick it up.
Towards the end of the month, everybody wants to send their returns back to get their money. And there is just no rhyme or reason. I mean, the vans are full when they go out. So at the start of the day, your first couple of stops, most of the time it's difficult to be able to take returns. Well, it was a nonstop chaos.
A lot of it was paper. I mean, a lot of different manual processes. We'd have our drivers pick up parts. Sometimes they didn't know if it was a part we sold to the customer. A lot of times we would bring that part all the way back here, realize that it wasn't something we even sold to them, and then we hauled it all the way back to them. So we were trying to use something that can make it better for the customer and for us.
Things are a lot better now. We're able to track the product. We're able to set up better pickup times. We're able to see when it's picked up, which I really like. It's a lot better to organize on their route, what they're picking up. Knowing ahead of time what they're picking up will help them organize their vans a little bit better. And not only for me, when it gets back here, organization is so much better of the parts, and having it not handwritten is huge for me.
First couple things was trackability, understanding, okay, customer wants to return something, so we can get that on a driver's list of, hey, I'm gonna drop parts off here, I'm gonna pick part up here. So that helped us right there. They didn't have to do anything manual. They just had to go show up, pick up the part. Customers are now printing off pieces of paper that says this is the part, so we know what it is. When we bring it back, they're taking pictures, so we have now trackability of what we picked up. Now
I can dictate and dispatch when we're going to go to that place, what we're going to pick up that day, and it just cleaned it all up. I schedule now, as in the past I couldn't schedule. All I could do is react to what the customers were wanting. So it's really made a difference that way.
So they can go log on anytime, see what their status is. Obviously they don't have to manage the paper ticket process anymore. They've got full visibility of everything, not only from a credit standpoint, but like their invoices. They can go on and check any invoice that they have. Just the amount of information that they can pull up out of, anytime they want is pretty powerful.
I enjoy being able to see it. You enter it in, and then it prints me off a scan thing for the driver, so you can kind of see the whole process as it's going along. And then if you want to go back and check on it again, you can. You just go to your returns, and then you can scroll through and see all those. And then you can see if it's been returned and credited, or, if there's a hold up, you can kind of see what the process is. And so this just makes it so much easier to hop online and see and know exactly where we're at with the returns. It's been pretty smooth sailing.
Well, I'll kind of go back to the original customer that started this snowball. They very much said, you guys, it takes me an hour to reconcile your statements, and it takes your competition, 5 minutes to do it. Why is such a difference? And now it's, we've moved ahead of the competition.
Oh, it makes my job 100% easier. I would say it's a way quicker process, so I think it cuts time in half. Cutting time is cutting money in a sense, and you're able to justify that cost-wise.
We really see it on the time, and it helps with the drivers. Just to speed that process up, and also trackability, accountability for it, is a benefit to us. Yes, it costs us a little bit to do this, but it helps us put things through the system faster. I wish some of our vendors would do that.